we're going into a slow yoga flow with minimal cues. And that assumes that you already know most of the basic yoga poses. So if I mention one, such as the sun salutation, you know what kind of poses are coming. If not, feel free to skip over to another yoga video where a bit more explanation is given. And otherwise, we're starting into a seated meditation. So thumbs and pointers together. And if you feel like it, you may close your eyes. Start the breath through the nose. Blink open your eyes. Take a long breath in through the nose. And a long exhale. Again, long inhale. And a long exhale. Place hands down. Take your left hand over your head. Breathe. Last inhale. Exhale, come down. For the other side. Open your right upper body. Last inhale. Exhale, down. All right, let's get to a standing position. All right, to the front of the mat, and we start with several slow sun salutations. Inhale, hands up. Exhale. Forward fold. Inhale. Halfway lift. Exhale. Plank. Come down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Long and steady breaths. And exhale. Downward facing dog. If you want to, you can pedal the feet a bit, activating the hamstrings. One more long inhalation and exhalation. Then when you're done, bend your knees. Come forwards up to a halfway lift on the inhale and exhale. Bend forwards. Inhale, all the way up. Exhale, Samastiti. Again, long and steady breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe. Exhale first, then step or walk. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, up, and exhale, Samastiti. All right, for number 3, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Downward facing dog. Bend your knees, come forwards, inhale, exhale. Inhale, up, exhale. Feet about hip wide apart, hands on your hips. Inhale, stretch up your chest. And exhale, forward fold, hinging from your hips. Grabbing your elbows on the way down for the ragdoll pose. Sway from left to right, slowly but steadily. Come to a standstill in the middle. And from here, hands on the mat and step back into downward facing dog. Step your right foot between your hands. Left knee down. Come up into a low lunge, Anjali-asana. On the exhale, arrowhead. So inhale, low lunge, and exhale. One more time, inhale, exhale. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, cactus arms. Slight back bend here. Long inhalation and a long exhalation. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands to the mat. Now, tuck your left toes in the mat. Inhale, come up into a warrior 2. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, humble warrior. Inhale, warrior 2. That was the reverse warrior. Inhale, clasp your hands. Exhale, humble warrior. Now actually. Extra inhalation and exhalation here. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, windmill forwards, step back to plank, and now come to downward dog or do the flow with me. Inhale here, exhale, slow and steady. Inhale, exhale, inhale left, right knee down, Anjali-asana. Inhale here, exhale arrowhead. Inhale up, exhale forwards. Inhale, Last time, exhale. Inhale. Now cactus arms. Slight back bend, pushing your hips forwards and down. Inhale. Exhale. Hands on the mat, step back into warrior two. Inhalations and exhalations in those poses. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale, reversed. Exhale here. On the inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, clasp your hands. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, humble warrior. And breathe. On next inhale, up to warrior two. And exhale, downward dog or flow. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, Malasana. Feet mat wide, top or on the inside. If you want to, include some slow and dynamic movements. And from here, roll back into a seated position. Bending your right knee, grabbing your right foot, and then stretch out your leg. Straight back, gaze over your toes. And flex your left foot. Now, grab the right side of your foot with your left hand and make a twist, gazing over your right hand. Also here, steady inhales and exhales. Inhale, hand back, and exhale, let it go. For the other side. Inhale. Grab the left side now with your right hand. Twist open. Steady breaths. Inhale, turn back. And exhale, let it go. All right. Lay down. And if you want to, you can do a laying twist with me. Pull up your knees towards your head. Let your left knee go. And take your right knee over to the left, gazing over your right hand. Laying twist. next inhale, back up. Knees both up. And then let your right knee go. Taking your left knee over to the right and gazing over your left hand. All right, take your knees back up. Give it yourself one last squeeze. Head towards your knees. And exhale. Let it go. Shavasana. Take a deep breath with me if you want. Inhale. And exhale. Nothing left to do for now.